Here we go, the home stretch, polynomials and a little family of functions coming at you. The first one, when you see minus sign in front of parentheses, you need to remember to distribute the negative. The first part is not going to change. 5x to the third plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 10 stays the same. But the second part here, when you're subtracting, all of these signs are going to flip. So minus 3x to the third plus x squared minus 4x and then plus 1. Now we're looking for like terms. You have 5x to the third minus 3x to the third. Those are like terms. That makes 2x to the third. 3x squared plus 1x squared makes 4x squared. You also have a negative 7x and a negative 4x. That's negative 11x. And 10 plus 1 makes 11. So your final answer, 2x to the third plus 4x squared minus 11x plus 11. No more like terms, you're done. Number 2, plus sign. When you think about it, distributing a positive 1, it doesn't change anything. So I'm just looking for like terms here. 4m to the third plus 2m to the third is 6m to the third. 7m minus 6m is just 1m. And negative 4 plus 8 is plus 4. So that's it. Number 3, you've got to distribute. And remember, when you multiply with the same base, you add the exponents. So 4b times b squared is 4b to the third, and 4b times 3 is just 12b, so 4b to the third plus 12b. Number 4 is similar, 5r squared times r squared, 2 plus 2 is 4, so 5r to the fourth. 5r squared times 4r, 5 times 4 is 20, and r squared times r is r to the third. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, and the r squared just kind of comes along for the ride. You should look for like terms, but we don't have any, so we're done. Number 5, you're thinking about this as either distributing or foiling. Either way, your first multiplication is going to be 5c squared. The outer terms, 5c times 2, will make 10c. The inner terms, 3 times c is just going to be 3c. And your last terms, 3 times 2, makes 6. You will usually have like terms in the middle. Here we do. 10 plus 3 makes 13c in the middle. 5c squared plus 13c plus 6. Number 6, do not try and distribute that exponent. If you have 9x squared plus 1, you should be ashamed of yourself. Write it out. 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. And then FOIL. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. The outer terms are 3x, the inner terms are 3x, and the last terms, 1 times 1 makes 3. So when you combine like terms in the middle, you have 9x squared plus 3x is 6x, and 1 times 1 is 3. So 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. I don't know where I got 3. Number 7. When you multiply a times a, you get a squared. The outer terms are 4a. The inner terms are negative 4a. Your last terms, negative 4 times 4, are negative 16. This is one where the middle terms are opposites, so they cancel out, and now you only have a squared minus 16. This is called a difference of squares. Keep that in mind because you're going to use it in 1B a lot. The last one. When you see a quantity squared, you should know that's called a quadratic. So this is a quadratic. They plugged in negative 3, 4 for their hk because it's usually x minus h squared plus k. And that would cause it to move left 3 and up 4. The vertex would be at negative 3, 4, so it went left 3, up 4 from the origin. The last one, number 9, is an absolute value. They plugged in 4, negative 5 for hk, and that would cause it to go to the right 4 and down 5. The vertex would be at 4, negative 5, so right 4, down 5 from the origin. If you got all this right, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to ace the final. Good luck, and I'll see you in Algebra 1B.